What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me yet again for another video. I'm out here with my boy Sammy.
What up, son? Got me eating donuts.
Got him eating donuts. Losing the diet.
Coffee break.
We just went out to Dunkin', got some coffee. I ordered some stuff for him. We ordered the side blinkers for the mirrors, the turn signals, and then we're gonna install those, and also his torque solutions dog mount came in as well, so we're gonna start that as well. I'm gonna make this a voiceover, so much me talking and letting you know how to install the actual turn signals. So, I mean, I'm sure this video is all around the internet, but give us our twist of it, because we're regular DIY guys. We don't know what the hell we're doing. We're just kind of fucking with it. All right, guys. So to take off the mirror caps is a first step. You're gonna want to take off 2 clips from the front and 2 clips that are hanging out in the back, and then that should loosen up the tabs for you. And then after that, you should be able to just kind of pull straight up and remove the mirror cap. Once that's removed, there is another plastic trim piece that you have to get rid of. There are 2 clips at the top, and you can take those off with a small pry tool. Definitely this Bojo tool came in handy throughout this whole project, and we were able to use it a lot actually. Overall, the project was pretty easy. I would say it took maybe 15 minutes total. Once that's done, the mirror comes off. It just comes off just like the Mark 7 mirror that I took off. You should be able to pop that off, and then that removes then the plastic piece that was directly behind it. The next step to this is pretty much to take off the motor. The motor comes off. It's just 3 bolts, 3 screws. Excuse me. They're all hex bolts. So all you have to do is just kind of unscrew them, and then you should be able to move the motor out the way. I use different tools in this video. I use a long extension with a hex bolt at the end. I also use an Allen key set. After you remove those 2 front screws, there's going to be 2 screws at the top that screw down to the bottom base, which holds the actual turn signal in place. So remove those. There should be a total of 4. And then once you've done with that, you should be able to remove the base at the bottom and sort of slide it to the side. The base itself only has it's only press fit and then screwed in by those screws. Once that's done, you can take it off and then remove the harness that's actually holding on the light. You'll see Sammy here remove those with a little vice grip. You're gonna need to grab it. Once that's done, it's pretty much the reverse of it. Clip on the new light, test fit it, and go.